Welcome back. Welcome back. It's been a minute. What's up, Jack? Hey, let's take some pictures. Okay, that's enough, girl. Well, welcome back, Burpees. How you doing? If you're new to my channel, please comment, like, and subscribe to me because I do dumb shit like this, y'all. So I went to the Asian store again. Well, the Korean Asian store. It's called H Mart, and bro, it's like a fucking fun land of just like all their goodies. So of course I get noodles. I'll show you a video of all the noodles I got. So I saw these Buldak Kimchi Jones. I ain't never tried these Jones before. So I said, let me get these and let me try them. So I want to see if they're hotter than the actual Fire Noodles. This is pickled radish, of course, and I got me some sparkling water, you know. Okay, y'all, so let's try these kimchi Jones. They don't smell too spicy, not like how the Fire Noodles smell. And I don't got no chopsticks. Y'all know I'll be ready for my chopsticks. All right, hold on. It's gonna be the first bite of the kimchi. It's gonna look the same as the other one, but let's see. Whoa! It's good. Oh, but that's spicy. That's spicy. Well, it's good though. In the beginning, it did give me like a little kick, a kick punch, but it's good. I also got this from there. It's literally kimchi, but I couldn't put it on here because it was just like looking a mess if I did. So I'm gonna take some kimchi with some kimchi, okay? And see how it goes. But the taste is weird, but it's good. I don't know if you know what, if you eat kimchi or you don't know what kimchi is. Kimchi is cabbage that they fermentate, and it's really good. So it does kind of taste like kimchi and kimchi. That's pretty tight. That's pretty tight. I like these. These are good. I'll eat these. I'll eat these. You want some of this? It's like that. Purple radish and kimchi noodles. This is good shit. I like that. All right, let's try the Fire Noodles. I don't think, unless my spice level has really gotten up there, I don't think those are as hot. Fire Noodles, you know. Fire Noodles are definitely hot. First of all, let me shout out to the 830 people that I have subscribed to me. Thank you. Thank you so much. Excuse me. It's because my burps get stuck. Yeah, fire noodles are definitely way higher than this kimchi. But so good. So good. Pickle relish. Shout out to H Mart. I got some rice cakes from there too. I just didn't have time to make them. But so good. Hold on. I'm back. Looking for my paper towels. One of my subscribers, also my sissy, she said that I should do this for my channel. I should do African food and Indian food and try a little bit from other countries. So I'm down to do that. So if you have any suggestions for me to eat and watch my feet, ooh, it's hot as shit. Yeah, my mouth is burning. Ooh, ooh. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Yo, fire noodles are really so hot. So yeah, less spicy. But also, I feel like the drier the noodle, the hotter it is. Because this is a little saucy because I've stir fried it in the pan. Let's do some. Also, guys, if you didn't know, kimchi is a probiotic. Excuse me. So it's also really good for that. See? Kimchi. There's the word piece. I'll be biting it like that because I be watching the Koreans. This one Korean nigga. Oops. There's one Korean guy. He be biting like that. This shit intensifies the spice. That is hot. Excuse me. That was like a little small, but it was burning. I'm scared to eat these fire noodles, y'all. Let's calm it down. Let's calm it down. Oh, it's burning all over town. Excuse me.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
Excuse me. Wow. I don't know what's burning me more. It's for real. But look at me still eating. I'm gonna regret this one though. I can already feel it. I can already feel it. I'm just confused because at first this joint was really not as bad, but I think because I finally got all the sauce, that's why. They're both pretty hot, damn it. Now I think if you leave it in the pan, I mean in the pot, and do that shit, it's worse. You know what I'm talking about. I'm over it. So, who wins? Who wins? Who wins? Who wins? Can I eat the rest of these? Okay. I'm worth it. I'm worth it. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I kind of feel like it was a tie. Well, yeah, well, definitely for spice it's a tie. Oh, baby boy. Oh, baby boy. Check my OnlyFans out. Excuse me.
Yeah.
There's different content on there, so enjoy yourself.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
Excuse me. These burps are spicy. Woo. Woo, woo. I'm out. Even though I keep trying to eat this shit, I need to stop. Maybe Fire Noodles one because I love Fire Noodles. Like the mom at the party that keeps saying, all right, y'all, I'm gone. And just keep going. All right, I'm gone. I'm gone this time. Please, 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 please. Click that bell. Click that like button. Comment. Share the video. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Twitter. Follow me on OnlyFans. Like, you know, rock with your girl. As always, guys, peace out. Love conquers all, even though I was censored right here. See you. I don't care. You gonna get over this. You gonna get over this. I'm back up in this. Be-eyes my itch. Be-eyes my itch. I just don't know. I just don't know. This big ass looks like a penis. If you have any suggestions for me to eat and watch my feet, ooh, it's hot as shit. Yeah, my mouth is burning. Ooh, ooh. I know you're probably like, girl, why you got that basic top on? Because I wish it was hot.